Give your vehicle a touch of heavy metal with our brilliant metallic finish non-slip car floor mats. These large rugged mats are designed with horizontal and vertical ridges to lock in messes and are waterproof to provide the ultimate protection for your vehicle floor space. Our FH Group mats are lightweight yet durable, universal in size to fit most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, and easy to maintain with just the swipe of a damp cloth. Plus, the underside has our FH Group standard non-slip textured rubber backing, ensuring that the mats always stay in place. Provide heavy metal protection for your vehicle floors with our metallic finish rubber backing floor mats. This full set comes complete with 2 front floor mats and 2 rear floor mats and are available in a variety of rocking metallic sheen colors.